and I'm going to show you an exercise to help you increase power. It's called the shoulder press on the exercise ball. So get yourself comfortably seated on the exercise ball, focusing on stabilizing your core, and start with the dumbbells here with your elbows at 90 degrees. Push up, let them touch, and back down, up, and back down. Try about 10 of those, and remember, I'm here to help you improve. Thanks for watching.
Curious how Katie can help you lower scores? Visit katiebakken.com.